To make a car faster on the road, Bruce McLaren would look to the sky.
The ultimate test of theory here is the wind tunnel.
He realised that speed was connected, in the air and on the road. As with all of Bruce's innovations, he had to get this idea down. His first experiment struggled with low bridges, but proved his point.
You have to be flexible in this business.
The aerodynamics are increasingly well understood.
There's Bruce checking over the construction of an aerofoil.
Bruce and his team turned to aviation materials in search of the elusive balance between strength and lightness. This was the Concorde era. Who better to make your cars go faster than the person who helped make aeroplanes supersonic? To this day, performance in every McLaren is defined by an obsession with advancing what is possible through aerodynamics and the most advanced carbon fibre structures. These weren't the only times McLaren found counterintuitive solutions. Bruce had an entrepreneur's instinct for promotion. He painted his cars bright orange so they stood out on TV, a colour known as papaya.
Bright orange racing machine.
Because even then, a McLaren never blends in. Today, McLaren still pushes beyond its own world for ideas that can change performance forever.